Hey guys, it's Christian Reacts, but apparently there's like a little problem over there. There's an active wasp nest apparently, so I gotta be careful.
You should have said hello. I know, but it was.
So we gotta be careful around that active wasp nest, because apparently the wasps are aggressive now. I heard from some people, most of my family, so I can't go that way for a while. So the wasp nest is just gonna stay there until I gotta do some shit about it. Anyway, Christian Reacts is going very well actually. I'm glad I started this channel because because my other channel, well, yeah. But I'm happy to be on YouTube. Don't get me wrong. So Christian Reacts is gonna be coming back again with some more games, dances, singing, and all that shit. I just can't do that right now because I'm busy. I'm starting my course soon, so I won't be able to record, but I will record later, like during the mornings and shit. It'll be kind of fun doing these videos. So what was your guys' favorite video so far? Because I know I have to like on the President Plays Wii game, Mario Kart.
I don't see Violet.
Holy shit, the beach is packed. Oh my gosh, this is packed. I'm gonna head down. Anyway, I'll see you guys someday. I just had to make this video because why not? So, but it's beach day. It's people here. Respect that. Anyway, I'm gonna put my phone in the plastic bag. I'm gonna end it, and I'll hopefully see you guys there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys. So we are in a bit.